In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Chrome's built-in customization options and how to switch to a look that matches your style, whether that's bold and colorful or clean and minimal. Start by heading to the Google homepage in Chrome. This is the page you see when you open a new tab or visit google.com. We'll use this page because it provides a quick shortcut to Chrome's appearance controls. If you're already browsing another site, it's fine. Just navigate to Google so you can access the customization panel easily. Look toward the bottom of the page for the Customize Chrome button. It usually appears in the lower right corner of the New Tab page. Click it to open Chrome's customization panel. If you don't see the button, make sure you're on a New Tab page rather than a search results page. The New Tab layout is where Chrome places the customization shortcut. Keeping your browser updated also helps ensure the option appears as expected. In the customization panel, choose Appearance. This section gathers all the visual settings in one place, making it simple to adjust your browser's look without diving into deeper menus. You'll notice options related to colors and backgrounds, and this is exactly where you'll control your theme. Now, select Theme. This is where the actual styling gets applied. As you browse the available choices, you'll see previews of how colors and accents will look across your tabs, toolbar, and New Tab background. Pick a theme that suits your preferences and give it a moment to apply. Chrome updates instantly, so you can immediately judge whether the contrast and colors feel right for your eyes and your workspace. If you work in low light, consider a darker palette. If you want something bright and energetic, try a lighter or more colorful set. Remember, nothing here is permanent. You can return to this panel anytime to try a different theme. If you ever want to go back to the classic look, choose the default option to reset the appearance. That's all there is to it. Go to Google's homepage, open Customize Chrome, click Appearance, and select Theme. A few clicks can make your browser feel brand new, and subtle changes to color and contrast can make a real difference in comfort during long browsing sessions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh Chrome look.